Hi! If you're wondering how to get fitness app on iPhone's home screen, then watch this video. Firstly, you need to make sure that this app is installed on your device. For that, you can go in the App Store, tap on search bar, and manually input fitness. Great, now you need to find this default Apple Fitness app and make sure it is installed. Now, to be able to track calories burned, distance, and so on, we can add this fitness widget to the home screen. For that, go ahead and press any free space on the screen so that everything will start shaking. Then click on Edit and choose Add Widget. After that, start scrolling down till you can see Fitness app in this list. Now you can choose between activity, this like smaller widget, and bigger widget in which you can see move sections, tabs, and distance. So let's pick this one and add to home screen by tapping Add Widget. We can also resize it by dragging the corners and tap down to confirm changes. Now you will be able to always track steps, distance, and calories burned right on your home screen. And tap the widget once to access the app. That's all. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.